Understanding neck rash, what it means and how to use it. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, neck rash. If you've ever been curious about what it means or how to use it, stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be an expert. First, let's break down the words individually. Neck, the part of the body connecting the head to the rest of the body. It supports the head and is the conduit for food, air, and blood vessels. Rash, a change in the skin that can make it red, itchy, and sore. It can be caused by various factors like allergies, infections, or other conditions. When combined, neck rash refers to a rash that appears on the neck. It's a straightforward term that precisely describes where a particular skin condition is located. You might wonder, why do we need a specific term like neck rash? 1. Specific location. It helps health professionals and others quickly understand where a problem is located. If someone says they have a neck rash, it immediately pinpoints the affected area. 2. Common occurrence. The neck can be sensitive and is exposed to many external factors like sun, sweat, and perfumes. As a result, rashes on the neck are not uncommon. 3. Communication. For non-native speakers, understanding such specific terms can greatly aid in better communication, especially in medical contexts. Let's see how you can use neck rash in conversations. 1. After trying a new perfume, I developed a neck rash. 2. Do you know any remedies for a neck rash? 3. The doctor prescribed a cream for my neck rash. And there you have it. Neck rash is a simple yet specific term that can be very useful, especially when discussing health or skincare issues. Remember, it's all about context and clarity. We hope this video has been enlightening, and the next time you come across the term neck rash, you'll know exactly what it means. Happy learning!